Are you looking for a unique and lucrative way to make money online? In today's video, we're going to explore the exciting world of selling notes online and how you can turn your study materials into a profitable venture. In this video, we'll delve into the potential of earning money through online note selling, highlighting the benefits and advantages of this opportunity. We'll also discuss how you can tap into this market and start generating income from your study notes. Imagine being able to make money from the notes you've already taken for your classes or exams. It's a simple and effective way to monetize your hard work and help others succeed in their academic pursuits. By selling your notes online, you can reach a wide audience of students who are looking for study materials to enhance their learning experience. Whether you're a college student, a teacher, or an academic enthusiast, this opportunity is open to anyone with valuable knowledge to share. Not only can you earn money by selling your notes, but you can also contribute to the academic community by providing valuable resources to students in need. It's a win-win situation that allows you to make a positive impact while generating income from your expertise. So, if you're curious about the profitability of selling notes online and want to learn more about this exciting opportunity, be sure to stick around for the rest of this video. We'll cover everything you need to know to get started and succeed in the world of online note selling. Get ready to turn your study notes into a source of income and make a difference in the lives of students around the world. Understanding the market. In order to maximize your potential for making money by selling notes online, it's crucial to have a solid understanding of the market dynamics and demand for study materials. By researching popular platforms like StudySoup and OneClass, you can gain insights into the competitive landscape and identify opportunities to stand out in the market. These platforms serve as hubs for students and educators to buy and sell study materials, creating a thriving marketplace for online notes. By studying the features and offerings of these platforms, you can learn what resonates with users and tailor your own approach to attract buyers. When analyzing the target audience for online notes, it's important to consider the diverse range of potential buyers. Students are a primary demographic, seeking study aids to supplement their learning and improve their academic performance. Professionals looking to enhance their skills or knowledge base may also be interested in purchasing specialized notes. Additionally, hobbyists and enthusiasts seeking to delve deeper into a particular subject can be a valuable segment of the market. To capitalize on the demand for online notes, it's essential to identify trending subjects or topics that have high market demand. By staying informed about current educational trends, popular courses, and emerging fields of study, you can create notes that cater to the needs and interests of a wide audience. Subjects like STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, business, and healthcare are perennially popular areas that attract a steady stream of buyers. By aligning your note-selling strategy with the preferences and needs of the market, you can position yourself for success in the competitive world of online note sales. Stay tuned for the next part of this video, where we'll delve deeper into strategies for creating and marketing your notes to maximize your earning potential. Creating high-quality notes. When it comes to selling notes online, the key to attracting buyers and maximizing your earnings lies in creating high-quality, valuable study materials. In this section, we'll discuss the importance of crafting notes that are well-organized, accurate, and visually appealing to stand out in the competitive market. One of the first steps in creating high-quality notes is to organize them effectively for better readability and comprehension. Utilize headings, subheadings, bullet points, and formatting techniques to structure your notes in a logical and easy-to-follow manner. By breaking down complex information into digestible chunks, you can help buyers navigate your notes more efficiently and extract the key points they need. Accuracy and relevance are paramount when it comes to note-taking. Ensure that your notes are based on reliable sources and contain up-to-date information that is pertinent to the subject matter. Fact-checking and verifying the accuracy of your notes will enhance their credibility and value to potential buyers, establishing you as a trusted source of knowledge in the online notes market. To enhance the visual appeal of your notes and make them more engaging for buyers, consider incorporating tools and techniques that elevate the presentation. Use color coding, diagrams, charts, and illustrations to break up text-heavy sections and make your notes visually stimulating. Visual aids can help reinforce key concepts, improve retention, and make studying more enjoyable for users. By focusing on creating high-quality notes that are well organized, accurate, and visually appealing, you can differentiate yourself in the online notes market and attract a loyal customer base. Stay tuned for the next part of this video, where we'll explore strategies for marketing and promoting your notes to reach a wider audience and boost your earnings potential. Marketing and promotion. Now that you've created high-quality notes, it's time to focus on strategies for marketing and promoting your study materials online to reach a wider audience and boost your sales. In this section, we'll explore effective tactics for increasing visibility and driving traffic to your note-selling platform. One powerful way to promote your notes is by leveraging social media platforms such as Instagram and Twitter. Create engaging posts that showcase snippets of your notes, share study tips, and interact with your audience to build a community around your brand. Utilize relevant hashtags and engage with users in the education space to expand your reach and attract potential buyers. Collaborating with influencers or bloggers in the education niche can also be a game changer for promoting your notes. Partnering with individuals who have a strong following and credibility in the academic community can help you tap into their audience and gain valuable exposure for your study materials. Consider reaching out to influencers for reviews, endorsements, or shout-outs to drive traffic to your note-selling platform. Offering discounts, bundles, or free samples is another effective strategy for attracting new customers and retaining existing ones. Create limited-time promotions, bundle deals on related notes, or provide free samples of your work to entice buyers to make a purchase. By offering value-added incentives, you can incentivize potential customers to explore your notes and increase your sales conversion rate. By implementing these marketing and promotion strategies, you can elevate your online note-selling business and establish a strong presence in the market. Stay tuned for the next part of this video, where we'll discuss tips for managing customer relationships, handling transactions, and optimizing your sales process to maximize your earnings potential. Managing sales and customer relations. In the world of online note selling, managing sales transactions efficiently and building positive relationships with customers are essential components of a successful business. In this section, we'll delve into the importance of streamlining sales processes and fostering strong customer connections to drive growth and enhance your reputation in the market. Implementing secure payment gateways and reliable delivery methods is crucial for providing customers with a seamless buying experience. By offering trusted payment options and ensuring safe and timely delivery of purchased notes, you can instill confidence in buyers and encourage repeat business. Prioritize user-friendly checkout processes and transparent shipping policies to enhance customer satisfaction and build trust in your brand. Promptly responding to customer inquiries and feedback is key to maintaining a high level of customer satisfaction. Addressing questions, concerns, and feedback in a timely and professional manner shows that you value your customers' input and are committed to providing excellent service. By being responsive and attentive to customer needs, you can foster positive relationships and cultivate loyalty among your buyer base. Seeking testimonials and reviews from satisfied customers is a powerful way to build credibility and trust in your note-selling business. Encourage happy customers to share their experiences and feedback publicly, whether through testimonials on your website or reviews on third-party platforms. Positive reviews and endorsements from satisfied buyers can help attract new customers, establish your reputation as a reliable seller, and differentiate you from competitors in the market. By prioritizing efficient sales management and nurturing strong customer relationships, you can position your online note-selling business for long-term success and growth. Stay tuned for the next part of this video, where we'll explore strategies for scaling your business, expanding your product offerings, and maximizing your profitability in the competitive online notes market. Selling notes online offers a unique opportunity to earn a passive income, share your knowledge, and make a positive impact in the academic community. We've highlighted the benefits of selling notes online, from monetizing your study materials to reaching a global audience of students and professionals seeking valuable resources. By tapping into the online notes market, you can turn your expertise into a profitable business and contribute to the educational success of others. We've discussed strategies for creating high-quality notes, marketing and promoting your study materials, managing sales transactions efficiently, and building strong customer relationships. By implementing these tactics, you can establish a successful note-selling business and position yourself for long-term growth and success in the competitive market. Now is the time to take the next step towards starting your online note-selling venture. Explore popular platforms for selling notes. Begin creating your own study materials and embark on your journey towards financial independence and academic empowerment. Whether you're a student looking to earn extra income or an educator seeking to share your knowledge, selling notes online is a rewarding and lucrative opportunity worth exploring. Together, we can support each other in our entrepreneurial endeavors and build a thriving community of knowledge sharing and success. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your note selling journey.